Cole, are you still hungry?
Is that fine?
Today is January 24th, 2013. It is, I don't know, 5 months.
In 9 days.
In 9 days.
Wow.
And he just discovered Mrs. Bull. Didn't he? Whoa.
Wow.
Seems kind of dangerous.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Can you say hi to the camera?
No! I'm afraid.
You're what?
Afraid of the dark.
You're what?
Afraid of the dark.
Afraid of the what?
Dark sometimes. Stop doing that. That's annoying. That's annoying.
You're trying to say annoying?
That's annoying. That's annoying.
Uh-oh. Ah! Another fork down.
I can go. That was close.
That was close.
Thanks, Rebecca.
It's a close one.
Hey, Ellie.
That was close.
Ellie thinks she's getting something. And she did. Liz, anything to say?
He says,
No burping at the table.
he says, where's my food? He says,
Here. Here you go, little man. Are you still hungry?
let's see if he is. Let's see.
Whoop.
He got it in his eye. That silly puppy.
Why don't you give Ellie that piece of bread right there?